How to cancel free trial on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to cancel app or service free trials on your iPhone before you get charged. So for example, if you have set a trial for any of the application, so it might offer you free trial for some days, for few weeks or even a month. So if you don't like that application or you just needed that for a certain thing and you wish to cancel that free trial, you can simply head over to your settings. So once you're in your settings, you're going to click on your account over here at the top. And after that, you're going to click on subscriptions. And once you click on that, you'll be able to view all of your subscriptions. So you can see that right now I don't have any active subscriptions. If you do have, you'll be able to see all of them over here. So what you're going to do is simply click on the specific subscription for which you wish to cancel the free trial. So simply click on that and you'll be able to see an option that would say cancel free trial. So simply click on that and that's it. So that is basically how you can cancel free trial on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.